of 5 Brittany's and a sleep mama. Hi, mama. Oh, we got some open eyes. This one is a boy. Hello, mama. Hello. I'm sorry. This one is a sweet girl. Hi, mama. Hi, mama. She's okay, mama. Hi, mama. You say hi to mama? Is she coming to check on you? I know. There's your brother. This one's also a girl. Little boy girl. Oh, Pigeon. Oh, we got somebody missing a buddy. Come here. This is a boy. Mama's checking on us. Say hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hi, girl. She's okay, or he's okay. Look at him. Wanna see him? I'll give you some love in just a second, mama. I know, mama. This one is a girl. You got pretty eyes, baby. Mama's feeding you good, ain't she? Yeah. This is a good girl. Yeah. Are you hungry? I know. Mama will be here just a minute. Oh, there she is. You good babies? Mama, I think your babies are hungry, huh? Huh? I'll leave you alone. You can feed them, okay, Mama?